Okay, Lael, we're recording. You're on camera.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lael. What else do I say? I'm an Aries. I live in Houston. I like dogs.
She's here with a friend of mine who was a former student who's now running solo in the yellow group and wants to go experience this. And I'm taking her out in the crazy, very advanced white group.
I feel like I'm in line for a roller coaster.
Pretty much.
This is like the worst part.
The wait.
Yeah. That anticipation. You're like, oh.
Right. Yeah.
You know that big drop is coming.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh my.
Circle Americas.
Yeah, COTA.
Yes. All right, we're coming up. This is the front straight.
Okay.
This is turn one, the hill.
Yeah, and watching the videos, you can't tell that it's a hill.
Yeah, this hill is much more impressive in real life.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Turn two is the sweeper to the right. It goes into the S's, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tires are cold, brakes are cold. We're avoiding all curbing, taking it easy. Right now my tires don't have much grip, so I don't want to spin out. We got to come out wide on 6 to set ourselves up for exiting the apex of 6 on the track right.
Okay. Yeah.
And all this curving, like this red on the left and this red up here, we're going to be on that. Probably not the next lap, but the lap after that, definitely.
Okay. And the other cars in this group, this is probably their first run of the day too?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. This is off camber, meaning it leans to the outside.
Okay.
Got a Lamborghini coming up. I'm going to let him pass. Maybe, we'll see. This is the big back straight.
Oh boy.
There's 140, 150, 155 getting on the brakes early because the tires and brakes are cold.
Okay.
Letting the Lambo have the inside, have the Porsche on the inside. I'm going wide to give them room. They have tires or engines in the back allowing weight on the rear. I don't. So their warm-up is a little different than mine.
Okay.
How you doing over there?
Okay, I'm trying to assess myself without having to think about it.
Assess your what?
Myself. Because once you start thinking about it, it gets in the way. But yeah, I can feel a little something happening, but it's good. It's okay.
Well, there's a lot of forces on the body.
Yeah.
And it's going to get a lot crazier.
Oh boy.
Yeah. This is called the carousel.
Oh yeah, okay.
3 apexes. We're coming up to the front straight after the next turn. And then we're going to brake going up the hill.
Oh yeah, okay.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay. There's 145 on the brakes early because of the cold tires and cold brakes.
Okay.
Grip is starting to come in. Tire pressures aren't quite there yet. S is still avoiding the curbing.
Okay.
We got a slow Corvette for some reason. How you doing over there?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I just noticed it on the braking, but it's okay.
Yeah, well, the braking is going to get worse.
Oh boy.
Or better, depending on your perspective.
I like that Audi.
There we go. Let all those guys. Oh, he's clipping me off there.
Yeah.
Love the sound of those Porsches. They howl.
Yeah.
BMW coming in hot. All right, tire pressures are good. Are you good?
Okay, yeah.
Here we go. Lights on.
Woohoo!
159. You all right?
Yep.
Okay. 159. I had to get on the brakes early because they're on the brakes.
Yep.
Braking's going to be intense. Here it comes.
Okay.
All right. How's your head?
Head's okay. Tell me he's a little not happy.
What's that?
I said head's okay. Tell me he's a little not happy.
Okay. All right. What do you think of this craziness?
It's crazy.
All right. There we go. Hard, big sweeping to the right. Did you eat breakfast?
Just a couple crackers.
Okay, that's good. Run straight again. There we go. Blinker means we can pass. There we go. He's going to turn across our nose. Yeah. How you doing?
Okay. Not as good as I was hoping.
Okay. But you're still here.
Yeah.
What are we doing here? A lot of cars. A lot of cars.
Okay, I'm trying to not feel sick. No, I'm being serious.
Talk to me about
Okay,
your dogs.
We got the puke sweat. Sorry, videotape. It's going to not be a good one.
I don't want you puking in the car, so how about we go in after this lap?
Okay.
All right. All right, it's pretty crazy. I get it.
Yeah. Sorry.
All good. I'll go in and drop you off, okay?
Okay, yep.
And I'll go right back out. So it's crazier than you thought.
No, it's not crazier than I thought. I'm just annoyed that my body is not happy with it.
Okay. All right, I'm going to start taking it easy. I'm going to let all these guys pass.
Okay, sorry.
All good. Let all them pass.
Is there a difference with passing on the right or left?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
I'm just giving them the race line right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so they can have the better line.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, nobody's coming, so I'm not going to meet them in the corner. All right, then. It's wild. So we got a Porsche coming up behind us.
Okay.
I'm going to give him the outside line.
I feel like as a new driver, when you're doing this stuff, it would be hard to coordinate, like, your point
Yes.
outs.
Yes. I'm just trying to stay out of everybody's way right now. And now our track exit's going to be on the left. That's why I split over here to the left.
Yeah. Oh, and I'm sorry I disappointed you.
Not at all. It's for you.
I know.
We came off track. We lived.
I didn't puke,
She didn't puke.
but I had to cut it early.
So, thoughts on the ride?
It's awesome. I wish I could have stayed longer. Like, I just, the fluids
That big
inside were not
jalapeno
there.
burrito didn't last so long this morning. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so because you had to get out early, you know what you have to do? 7 push-ups.
I'd rather pay $12.
Let's go, 7 push-ups.
For real?
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
High five. That was awesome.